The Outin Fino is a portable coffee grinder that lets you grind fresh coffee beans anywhere you go. It's super easy to carry because it measures about 7.9 inches tall by 2.9 inches wide and weighs only 1.5 pounds. As you can see, it immediately stands out for its high-quality design and refined details. The body of the grinder is made of plastic with a slightly textured finish that provides a firm grip. It also includes some chrome and metal parts that give it a very premium look. On the back, we find the USB port for charging, protected by a rubber cover that's really practical. It prevents dust or dirt from getting in when you're using it outdoors. On the top, there's the opening for adding your coffee beans. It opens and closes with a simple twist, so you don't need any separate lid that you could easily lose. The grind size is adjusted by rotating this ring, and it offers up to 28 grind levels. Plus, there's a small detail I really like. Right above the ring, you'll find markings showing the recommended grind size for each brewing method. By unscrewing the bottom part, you'll find the container where the ground coffee falls. As you can see, the inside is metallic, and the base of the lid has a rubber coating that ensures a stable grip on any surface. The truth is, both the look and the feel of the Outin Fino are simply outstanding. But now, let's see it in action. To clearly show the grind levels, I'll start with a coarse grind, ideal for a French press, by setting the ring to position 9. Once we've adjusted the grind level, we just pour the beans into the top, close it with a quick twist, and hold the button for a couple of seconds to start grinding. As you can hear, it's not very noisy, which is definitely a plus. When the Outin Fino finishes grinding, it stops automatically. Still, it's a good idea to shake it a little to make sure there aren't any beans left inside, then press the button again until you hear the grinder spinning freely, meaning it's done. And here you can see the coarse grind, perfect for making coffee with a French press. Now let's see how it grinds for espresso using Outin's portable coffee maker. For espresso, you need a very fine grind, so I'll set the ring just one notch above 2 to show you that the Outin Fino can really achieve an ultra-fine grind level. To be precise, I'm going to use the Outin scale, this small digital scale from Outin. Now that we've got exactly the amount we need for a quality espresso, let's pour the beans into the top again and press the button. Since we're aiming for a fine grind, the process takes a bit longer, in this case, just over 2 minutes. And as you can see, we've achieved a very fine grind, perfect for brewing a great espresso. You could use this ground coffee with any manual coffee maker, but ideally, you'd pair it with one of Outin's models. Both the Outin Nano and the new Outin Mino can brew coffee using ground coffee or capsules, thanks to the included filter accessory. Let's go ahead and make this coffee with the Outin Mino. Another great example of Outin's thoughtful design is this small adapter that comes with the Outin Fino. You can screw it onto the lid so it fits perfectly into the coffee maker's filter, preventing any coffee from spilling out. Once we've added the ground coffee, all we need to do is tamp it down, and for that, we can use this handy folding spoon that comes with both models. Then, we just screw the filter onto the coffee maker and press the button to start brewing. If you'd like to learn more about the new Outin Mino, you'll find a dedicated video about it on our channel. And here you can see the Outin Mino serving our delicious espresso made with coffee ground by the Outin Fino. The result is fantastic, rich texture and a beautiful layer of crema on top. As you've seen, the result is already excellent, but it can get even better with another Outin accessory. For now, this version is only compatible with the Outin Nano. The process is just as simple, we just follow the same steps as before. And here it is, our delicious espresso, this time brewed with the Outin Nano and the Nano Basket Plus accessory. If you want to check the prices of the coffee makers, the grinder, or any of the accessories shown in this video, take a look at the description and comments below. We've included details on how to get them with a special discount. We hope you found this video helpful. And remember, you can find many more videos like this on our channel. See you next time.